A lake is an area filled with water, localized in a basin surrounded by land, apart from any river or other outlet that serves to feed or drain the lake. Lakes lie on land and are not part of the ocean, although like the much larger oceans, they form part of Earth's water cycle. Today I am going to talk about 4 unusual lakes in the world. Lake Khendy is located right in the center of Asia, Kazakhstan. It takes so many people aback when it comes to this place. As visitors get to the lake, they will notice a few dozens of dark brown chunks rising from the water. Simultaneously, the water has many color shades which vary from glimmering blue to alpine green. The result is a seemingly surreal wonder hidden in the forests. However, this wonder would not exist today if it would not have been for the cabin earthquake in 1911. It eventually turned into a gap right in the middle of the forest. As time passed by and the water level kept on rising, the trees that used to grow there slowly died. Now the length of Lake Khendy is 400 meters with extremely cold water, particularly during winter, and its depth goes up to 30 meters. At times, the contrast between the large green areas filled with spruce and its intense blue water is nearly unbelievable. The lake of Gruner Sea is located in Austria Hausschwab Mountains. This lake does not seem to have anything special. During winter, the water is no more than 6 feet deep. The surrounding park is used for hiking, but once the spring comes around the corner, something unbelievable starts happening. As the temperature is rising, the lake begins to expand and reaches up to 40 feet in depth, covering the entire surface of the park. The site becomes a popular summer attraction for divers who can visit park right underneath the water. Also, the color of the water turns bright green due to the grass at the bottom. As you dive into the lake, you can witness benches, bridges, and trees that create an outstanding underwater landscape. And as the winter comes, the lake gets back to its 6 feet deep dimension like nothing ever happened. Mount Calamite is the volcano in Flores, one of the many volcanoes of Indonesia. The highest peak here is Mount Barbare of 1,731 meters tall. One of the most famous attractions here for travelers is tree-colored Calamite Lake within the summit of craters at 1,690 meters. It consists of 3 lakes together of varying colors from each other and also at different times, making surreal and exciting to be discovered. One of these lakes is named Lake of Old People, which is usually blue and on the westernmost of the 3 lakes. The other 2 lakes are Lake of Young Men and Maidens and Enchanted Lake, where both of them are green or red respectively and are only separated by a crater wall. One of the most incredible things about Palau is that this is the home to an amazing jellyfish lake. Not surprisingly, this is one of Palau's most famous attractions. Jellyfish Lake is a marine lake located on Ale Malk Island. Every day, millions of golden jellyfish migrate across the lake. While they do this, you can go swimming with them. Swimming with jellyfish was actually forbidden in recent years as the jellyfish population was in decline. However, as of 2019, the jellyfish numbers are on the rise and swimming with them has been reopened. Jellyfish Lake is around 12,000 years old. It's a remnant of the last ice age where, during this time, the sea level rose to the point where seawater began to fill the basin. But when the glaciers receded, there was no place for these jellyfish or other fish to go. This isolation allowed the species in the lake to develop on their own and become unique. Did you like what you saw? Well, they really are one of the most exciting lakes in the world. People go to see them with pleasure and enjoy beautiful sights. But what if there was nobody who would take care of them? They would probably look like this. Let's talk about some of the most polluted rivers in the world. Citarum River is located in West Java, Indonesia. Unfortunately, the reason why Citarum River is deadly is because of something human-made, garbage. The place is so filled with non-biodegradable waste and harmful chemicals that it's known to be the world's most polluted river. Pasig River is located in the Philippines. The Pasig is so heavily polluted that it has been declared as biologically dead, meaning no life is able to survive in its waters. No fish, no plants, no nothing. The more we don't care about our environment, the more it will become polluted with contaminants and toxins that have a harmful impact on our health. When we think of the environment as something that may actually be hurting us if we don't take care of it, the need for a resolution becomes much clearer. Hiking, the activity of going for long walks, especially across country. Varying, differing in size, amount, degree, or nature. Surface, the outside part of uppermost layer of something. Diver, a person who dives as a sport.